Hey guys, correction to turnip seed here. I'm kind of moving myself a little bit, but I wanted to come and make this video to come and talk to you about the email processing system and how it can help you make $100 a day. All right, so the email processing system is a wonderful system. If you look here are my email processing system results. I made it kind of pretty because I like pretty things, but I wanted you to see my screenshot that I made $100. Okay, this system allowed you to get $100, anywhere from $25 to $100 direct payments to you. There's no middleman. There's no company cutting you a check. They cut you a check, or you cut yourself a check, I should say, because it goes directly to your PayPal, which is awesome. You don't have to wait for anybody to make the money that you need and want. And I could take this money and do whatever I need to do. Now, let me explain how simple email processing system is and what it is. So, what you're going to do is place ads on social media. They're already pre-written for you. So literally it's cut and paste. And you're going to paste them or put these ads where we show you to put them. Okay? Places like Facebook, Craigslist, so on and so forth. So don't feel like you're going to be advertising to your family and friends, because we're going to show you how to get out of your Facebook wall and to go into other places on Facebook and like groups and paste these ads and get targeted leads, people who are already interested in work at home opportunities, and get them interested in this system that pays you, okay, and then pay them as well. All right, so you paste the ads. People are going to go to your website, which we will create for you. All right, we give you all the details about how to get that website set up. And then a portion of them will purchase. Okay. So then I'm gonna skip through some of this other stuff because it's just not really important. But after a person purchases from you, the only thing, two things that you have to do: you email that person their purchase, which is our product is a digital marketing training course and pre-written ads, and they get access to our group. Okay, that's the product. Okay. They're going to get digital marketing training courses and pre-written ads and access to our group, so they could also continue the email processing system, okay? And then the second thing that you're going to do after you email them, which is you're going to get them plugged into our coaching group so that they could feel supported and know what they need to know. That's it. Rinse and repeat. All right? So this is how simple it is for you to make money online with the email processing system. You just post the ads, people go to your website, they purchase, and then from there, you're going to email them their info, and you're going to get them plugged into the Facebook group. And that's it. This is how you keep these, $25 to $100 payments coming. And you can come in at $25, $50, or $100 level. And this is a one-time payment. See, this is wonderful. You only have to pay this one time to make money over and over and over again. So you pay, if you come in at the $25 level, you pay $25 one time. You never have to pay that again. And you will get you're eligible to get $25 payments over and over and over again for anyone who joins your email processing system. If you come in at the $50 level, same thing, you're eligible for $50 payments to you, direct to you. And also, you're eligible for the $25 payment, so you can also get people at the $25 level. You come in at the $100 level, you're eligible for $150 and $25, depending on what people want to come in with you at. My suggestion is that everyone come in at least the $50 level. The reason being is, in addition to the basic training, you're going to get plugged into our awesome training. You're going to get top level training that I have been using to explode my other businesses as well. So $50 level is where it's at, and it also positions you to make $50 commissions. And then the $100 level is also awesome as well, because as you can see, these $100 commissions are awesome. So I'm helping people win in 2018. This is so newbie friendly. I love this system. I mean, it's just not complicated, and that's why people fail online, because things are complicated, and this is simple. All right, so if you're watching this on YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe, and I look forward to connecting with you. Bye.